Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Lumintop SD4A. Now, comes in this box, comes with everything you're seeing here, which is a user manual, more user manuals, in multi-languages. Okay, so here's the warranty information. Okay, it comes with an O-ring, comes with an orange lanyard, and here's the light. Now, I want to show you the reflector. This is running the Cree XML2 U2 by Cree. And this is really nice. Steel bezel. Completely flat, so you can easily stand that up. 2-button configuration. A lot of heat sinking. Just a great quality light, and I'm very familiar with Lumintop. Really, really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up and see what batteries I'm running in it. Now right away, the threads are very well greased. Got a heavy duty spring on there. Okay. And this does have a battery carrier, or some people call it a cartridge. Doesn't matter which way you put it in, but I'm running the Amazon Basics. These are 2100 milliamps, and I'm actually getting about 2300 milliamps. And this is doing really well. Very nice. Inside, no springs down in there. So we're going to go ahead and put this back together. And we're going to go ahead and go through the UI. Now, this button here is the power button, and this one is the mode button. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on and cycle through. That is really, man, that is really bright. Wow, that is really incredibly bright. That is that is impressive. Right offhand, and I haven't even taken it outside yet, but I can tell this is going to be really good. And you can power that off. Now if you press and hold, the mode button will get you strobe. Come on, it has SOS. Press and hold the power button, get you SOS. Go back to the regular UI. Press and hold the mode button, get you beacon. Turn it off, hit that button again, goes back to the regular UI. And you turn it off, and if you press and hold the power button, you get ultra low moonlight, or some people call it firefly. Okay? And go through the modes. Very, very nice. That is just really nice. Alright, well, I think we should take this out into the wilderness and see how it does. Alright, come join me. We are out here in the darkness with the moon above us, and we have the Lumintop 4AA powerhouse. Let's turn it on. That is the lowest setting. That does really well, actually. Easily making about 50, 60 feet away. We're going to go to the next level. And that's doing a lot better. Got a good spill on this beam. I'm going to put it above my shoulders here. Usually making the tree of life. Usually making the school as well. It's doing really, really good. Very nice. I'm going to check along the fence line. And that's doing really good too. Now we're going to go up to the next level. And look at that beam. Look at the spill on that. Remember, this is only a AA or 4AA flashlight. Look at the power on this. Usually making the tree of life. Very nice. It is somewhat making the palm trees too. That's very impressive. Usually making it across the park too as well. On the tree line, looks really good. We're going to go to the final level. And look at that. That looks really good. We'll go to the tree of life. Cross the park easily. Look at the beam on this. It's got excellent throw. Really nice. Very nice focused hotspot. Making the school and the palm trees. That's very impressive. This is doing really good. I'm going to put it on the tree of life, show you the beam again. Look at how wide this beam is. This is really incredible flashlight. Usually making it across the park. Very easily, look at that. And the tree line and the fence line doing very good. Look at how bright that is. Very, very nice. And we're going to end this on the tree of life. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots.
Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This is such an impressive light. The throw on this is incredible. The machining, the style, I like it a lot. To me, this has got one of the better throw distances I've seen yet on a 4AA battery configuration. I want to go ahead and give this a perfect 10. This is just really nice quality, incredible performance for just 4AA. This thing is really kicking it out. It's got incredible throw. It's got a good spill on there as well that's usable. And it's just an all-around great light. I want to thank again Banggood.com for sending me this light for review. And if you're interested in purchasing this light, you can look right up on the screen there and look for my discount code. That'll help you save some money as well. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights and other light type packages to you on a regular basis. Again, thanks for watching. Take care.